How to fix Deco error on TP Link Deco app, how you can simply resolve it step by step in this video. So the first step will be verify Deco unit status. Check LED indicators, ensure the LED on your Deco unit is solid green or white. Test internet connection. Confirm that your devices can access the internet through the Deco network and then restart devices. Reboot Deco units, then restart your phone. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it on back. Step 3 will be check network connection. Connect to the Deco Wi-Fi. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the Deco Wi-Fi network TP Link service provider and disable mobile data and VPN. Now, relaunch the Deco app. Force close the application, then reopen the app, launch the Deco app again, check if the issue persists. If the issue persists and you cannot solve it, you can simply uninstall the Deco app from your smartphone and then install it again to simply refresh it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now last thing do is you can test it on another device if it's working on there. If it's, then problem is in your phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel.